Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Sharkoon Rebel C70 RGB keys. So friend, the Sharkoon Rebel C70 RGB is a new ATX mid-tower case that features a Norwegian wood design element along its front panel. Unlike the Fractal Design North, that does not seem the floating wood slats surrounded by metal frame, the Rebel C70 RGB uses flattened flats as extend to the edges of the panel with a contrasting matte black accents toward the sides. Behind the slit is a mesh intake for the three front fan mounts which come with a pre-installed 120 mm RGB fan that along with rear 120 mm exhaust light up in a warm white color out of the box to pair well with the aesthetic. Although you can configure it to pretty much any color, and 8-channel ARGB controller is included with the case which can sync with 3-pin ARGB connection with your motherboard and contain its own 22 lightning presets that you can cycle between the button on the case. Inside the case provides room for ATX motherboards with 7 expansion slot, graphics card up to 40 cm in length, and CPU coolers up to 16.5 cm in height, and the graphics card reinforcement brace drums included which counters PCB bending over time. There are impressive 11 fan mounts in all. This includes 3 120 mm or 140 mm along the front, 3 120 mm along the side, 3 120 mm or 140 mm along the top, and 1 120 or 140 mm along the bottom, and the 120 mm rear exhaust. Storage option includes 3 3.5-inch base or 3 2.5-inch mounts. Front panel connectivity include a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, 3 USB 3.0 Type-A, and 4 pole 3.5 mm headset jack. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.